Is your Ford Fusion key fob not working? The most common cause is a dead CR232 battery. Symptoms include the remote not unlocking doors, starting the engine, or triggering the panic button. Luckily, replacing it is a simple DIY task. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin and a new CR232 battery. These are widely available at auto parts stores or online retailers like Amazon and AutoZone. Make sure you get a quality battery from a reputable brand like Duracell or Energizer for longer life. First, locate the small seam on the side of your key fob. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into the seam and carefully pry the case open. Be cautious not to damage the rubber seal. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation with positive side up before removing the old one. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing the same direction as the old one. Finally, snap the key fob case back together until it's securely closed. Test the remote functions near your car to ensure it's working. If it's still not working, the issue could be with the car's receiver or the key fob itself, potentially requiring professional reprogramming at a dealership.